Hi, I'm Shelley Jansky, a crop breeder working to develop new varieties of potatoes that store longer with better quality. It's frustrating to buy potatoes, store them, and then cut them open only to find out that they have rotted inside. This contributes to the problem of food waste. My colleagues have determined that potatoes with more natural calcium in them are less prone to rot. Building on this idea, my research team has focused on developing new potato varieties with more calcium. This will make them less likely to rot. And we used wild potatoes from South America to help us. We did this through a process called cross-pollination. My colleagues at gene banks across the country keep seeds and germplasm from a wide array of crop plants. Working with the potato gene bank here in Wisconsin, we placed an order for seeds from a number of wild potato relatives that we were interested in testing. The seeds came in the mail, just like seeds you'd get from a seed catalog. When we got the seeds, we planted them in the greenhouse. You can see that they grew into plants that look quite different from normal potatoes. Some have very broad leaves, some have much more narrow leaves. And in fact, the plant with the broad leaves is the one that we used as our source of high calcium. When the plants flower, we collect pollen from the flowers by shaking them with a modified toothbrush, as you can see here. We collect the pollen in capsules, and we can keep those capsules in the freezer until we need them. When we're ready to carry out our cross-pollinations, we apply the pollen from the wild species to the female parts of the flowers of conventional potatoes. And then we wait for those flowers to develop into berries with seeds. Those seeds carry genes from both wild and conventional potatoes. After we collect the seeds, it's time to plant them and wait for the resulting potato tubers. Of course, in our breeding program, we make several types of crosses to find the ones that will produce potatoes with the most calcium. By looking back to the ancient relatives of potato, we can create new varieties that taste good and have a longer shelf life. The end result is that more people can enjoy this delicious, nutritious vegetable. In this way, crop breeders help to feed the world and improve food sustainability. I'm Shelley Jansky, and I'm a crop breeder.